Spastic K, yeah. I'm gonna get ya. This is called my cat jumping over a massive wall. Here she comes. Don't attack it, jump over it. Squishy. Squishy, come on, jump. Yay! And that's what I call a cat jump calamity.